Roofing nailers are the workhorse tools for installing asphalt shingles, underlayment, and other roof assemblies. A reliable nailer improves install speed, accuracy, and reduces fatigue on long jobs, while features like depth of drive adjustment, magazine capacity, and trigger type influence both safety and output. In this comparison,
List number 1. 3+-HCN45SP 11 gauge 15 degree 3/4 inch to 1 3/4 inch coil roofing nailer pneumatic roof nail gun. The 3+-HCN45SP is a budget-friendly 15 degree coil roofing nailer designed to drive 3/4 inch to 1 3/4 inch full head nails. It features an adjustable shingle guide for spacing, a high-capacity magazine that holds up to 120 nails, and a tool-free depth of drive system for consistent nail seating. Notably, it includes interchangeable triggers for single-shot or bumper fire modes, plus 360-degree exhaust and integrated side skid pads to protect the tool on pitched roofing applications. A key caveat is the potential for double fire in bumper mode if the operator does not allow proper recoil. The manufacturer advises switching to the black trigger for safer sequential firing if you're not highly skilled. Performance-wise, the HCN45SP delivers solid drive quality at a compelling price, particularly for smaller crews or DIY enthusiasts. The tool-free depth adjustment helps dial in nail depth for a flush or slightly recessed setting, which is essential for shingle alignment and minimizing nail head visibility. However, the risk of double fire in recoil in bumper mode means operators should use the black single-shot trigger for critical tasks or retrofit to a safer configuration. With a weight around 7.37 pounds and robust aluminum steel construction, it remains manageable on roof pitches, and the large magazine reduces reloading downtime during longer runs.
List number 2. Metabo HPT Roofing Nailer. Metabo HPT NV45AB2 is a 16-degree pneumatic roofing nailer designed for 7/8 to 1 3/4 inch nails, weighing 5.5 pounds and rated for up to 3 nails per second. It features toolless depth of drive adjustment, a 120-nail magazine, side-loading design for fast reloads, and a carbide-tipped push lever to reduce wear. The tool is backed by a 5-year warranty and emphasizes reliability and efficiency for professional use with a robust Japanese-engineered build. Performance-wise, the NV45AB2 excels in smooth cycling and consistent drive depth at 70 to 120 psi, with a lightweight balance that reduces fatigue during extended roofing sessions. The carbide-tipped nose and wear-resistant components contribute to longevity on abrasive shingle surfaces, and the side-load magazine speeds nail replenishment. While it comes with 4,000 nails included, the overall value hinges on the durable construction and low downtime, making it a strong mid to upper tier option for roofers prioritizing reliability and long-term serviceability.
List number 3. Bostitch Coil Roofing Nailer. The Bostitch RN46 is a premium coil roofing nailer with a lightweight aluminum housing, zero-nail lockout, carbide nose inserts, durable wear guards, and a patented single-action side-load canister for rapid nail loading. It also offers an adjustable shingle guide and full-round drive for consistent nail seating, along with an oversized, user-friendly depth adjustment. The tool is designed for contractors who value quick reloads and long-lasting performance in challenging job site conditions. Performance-wise, RN46 delivers consistent drive quality with a strong emphasis on reliability in high-volume applications. The zero-nail lockout helps prevent dry fire misfires, and the carbide nose inserts protect against rapid wear on abrasive shingles. The single-action loading mechanism speeds reloads, reducing downtime during re-roofing tasks. With a 1-year warranty and a solid 5.8-pound weight, it balances portability with durability, making it a top-tier choice for professionals who demand efficiency without compromising accuracy.
List number 4. Bostitch 15-degree coil roofing pneumatic nailer. This Bostitch 15-degree coil roofing nailer is positioned as a mid-range upgrade with an upgraded engine and feed system, dual-door magazine, oversized tool-free depth adjustment, carbide nose inserts, and an improved grip. It appears to emphasize reliability and ease of use for ongoing roofing tasks, with a focus on improved drive quality and durability on abrasive surfaces. Performance-wise, the redesigned mechanisms and dual-door magazine support faster reloads and easier maintenance on busy jobs. The oversized depth adjust provides quick tuning for nail seating, though the 0.01-ounce weight specification in the listing seems anomalous and may indicate a listing quirk. In practice, the tool feels sturdy and well-balanced for a 15-degree coil system. The 3-year, 1-year service, 90-day money-back warranty offers a reasonable safety net for mid-range purchases. List number 5. The WEN 61783 offers a budget-friendly alternative with a 3/4-inch to 1 3/4-inch nail range, 11-gauge compatibility, and a 120 nail capacity. It includes a shingle guide and depth control, a quick release for jams, and a complete accessory package, oil, hex wrenches, and a carrying case, designed to appeal to DIYers and value-focused professionals. Performance-wise, the WEN is capable at typical roofing PSI ranges, 70 to 120, and benefits from a complete accessory kit for new users. While it may not match the high-grade components found in premium models, its lighter weight, approximately 5.95 pounds, and lower price make it a compelling option for small jobs or entry-level contractors. The 4.4 of 5 user rating suggests broadly positive real-world performance, though some users note trade-offs in long-term durability compared with top-tier brands.